Welcome to our guide on how to enable notification sounds for Snapchat. Let's go through the steps to ensure you stay informed with sound notifications on the app. Begin by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device. Locate your avatar or profile picture at the top left of the screen and tap on it. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top right of the screen to access the settings menu. Then, select the Notifications option from the menu. Within the notifications settings, look for the option related to sounds. Simply mark the option labeled Sound to enable notification sounds for Snapchat. By following these steps, you can customize your notification settings to include sound alerts for incoming messages and updates on Snapchat. Stay connected and informed with audible notifications as you engage with friends and content on the app. Enjoy a more interactive and engaging Snapchat experience by enabling notification sounds to enhance your app usage. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your Snapchat experience.